This is a video of all the minnows in the pond. There's a lot. There is a lot. I don't know if minnows is the right word, but there, do you see them? There's a lot. And like, look at where the water ripples. That's kind of where they're at. And this is just one school. I've seen probably 4 schools of these in here. So even though our pond is really low, like the water level is really low. And did you hear that? That's our ducks. They're flying. The fish are thriving despite the water levels being low. I'm happy about that. I'm going to zoom out. But that's where the fish are. They're silly. They flew. They were at the bank. And they flew so they could be in the middle with their friends. Isn't that silly? But that's fine. It's adorable. That's Walter right there pulling up on the rear. And then we have the other 6. Anyway, our ponds are just crazy low right now. Maki likes the water, but I think he's actually fallen in a little bit because he's sinking into the mud. All right, I'm going to show you our boat. That boat used to be at the water's edge. So we need rain. Come on, rain. We're expecting it anytime now. We haven't had rain in a really long time. I do love our ducks. I'll take a video in a little while of the mama and her babies. She doesn't hang out with the big boys over here. No! Hey, dogs, no! Blossom, no! Not allowed to chase the ducks that are just having fun. I love it when they swim under the water. They're so cute. Blossom really wants to swim with them. Maki's a Frenchie. Frenchies just drowned. They don't float. So I don't think he'll go in the water. Blossom, however, has been in that water before. Silly girl. Wanting to swim with the ducks. The dogs are excited because they're splashing around. I love it when they do that. They go under the water and they pop up someplace else. They're so silly. Blossom, you got muddy feet? You got muddy paws? Where you been? You've been down at the water's edge? I have to rinse you off before you come back in the house. You are a silly girl. Blossom, what are you doing? Silly girl. Oh, now she's done it. Blossom, come on, get out of the water. Blossom, come on. Well, at least now I don't have to rinse her off. She just rinsed herself off. Really wants to play with the ducks. Blossom, come on. Come on, now you're a mess. No swimming today, Blossom. Oh dear. What am I gonna do with that dog? She is one giant muddy mess. She is covered in silt, and I'm totally gonna have to bathe her before I even bring her in the house. Crazy girl. She's not a duck. You can't swim with the ducks. Come on, Blossom. They're awfully fun to watch, though, aren't they? Silly girl. She's so cute. The rest of these are boys. Thank goodness I don't have to go in after Maki. He knows he can't swim. Good boy. It is kind of inviting. I mean, I'd like to go and play with the ducks. Silly birds.